Hi students. Now if you're pursuing ACCA, there are three very interesting things that the ACCA body is making changes in their curriculum that you need to know about, particularly if you are in the skills and professional level. Okay. Now I think these three changes are very exciting for a student because they just make the whole exam process very efficient. Change number one, from the September 23 exams, the first change that they've brought about is in the SBL exam, Strategic Business Leader. Now, presently, as you all know, that it's a 4-hour exam, and the case study is made available only in the exam, which means you are reading the case, analyzing the case, and then doing all the tasks in the exam. Now, a very interesting change that they've brought about is that this case context will be given to you 2 weeks before the exam. Okay. मतलब आपके पास केस स्टडी एग्जाम के पहले है, you can read it, you can analyze it, you'll have at least some good context before you get into the exam, and in the exam you go and you perform the tasks. Okay, and therefore the duration of the exam has been reduced from 4 hours to 3 hours. So I just feel that it's made the experience of the student far more efficient. You can go at least that much better prepared in the exam with respect to the context of the case, the industry, the situation, and then straight away dive into the tasks that they have. The second change that they brought about is to the SBR exam. Now, SBR paper mein jo first question typically 30 marks ka hota hai. Okay. Now, what they are going to do is they are going to give you a pre-populated Excel sheet. Okay, a pre-populated sheet, which is basically got a draft consolidated financial statement. And they may ask you to do a host of things on that. Okay, sometimes there may be an accounting error that you may be asked to sort of rectify. Sometimes they may ask you to do certain kind of adjustments to it. Sometimes you may be asked to analyze the spreadsheet. Okay, you may be asked to make some changes in accounting policies. So instead of creating the whole statement from scratch, a pre-populated spreadsheet is available, and then you're performing tasks on that. Again, the objective being that they are trying to test your application. Okay, they are trying to see what you can do out of, let's say, a financial statement that comes out of an accounting software, but let's say it's got mistakes, it's got accounting errors, maybe it needs a change in the policy, maybe there are certain adjustments that need to be made, certain things need to be analyzed, really how you do it at the workplace. So the pre-populated spreadsheet will make the students' experience again in the exam far more efficient. Okay, once again, if you observe, your dono changes are made to make the exam experience more efficient and more real time for students. Okay, so that's for the professional level. And the third interesting thing that the ACCA is doing in the month of July, this is for all the students, some very good news. They are launching their study hub, which is a new digital platform. Now, ये study hub पे आपको free access होगा to the entire content, so you'll have notes freely available. Other than that, there will be a host of things like quizzes, tests, assessments, flashcards. So a lot of interesting study resources will be made available for free to all the students. Okay, so these are three very interesting things which I think students can expect in the second half of the year, and a better experience for all the students doing the exam. Thank you.